Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Aryan, and today I'm presenting a cloud-native e-commerce platform, which is inspired from Best Buy, built on modern microservices architecture, and it's deployed on Azure Kubernetes services. So the proposition is the traditional monolithic retail systems often struggle with traffic spikes, causing crashes, long deployment cycles, delaying new features, and single point of failures causing complete outages. To solution for that is independent service scaling, which could handle 10 times traffic on auto processing while product catalog runs normally, zero downtime deployments, and automatic failover. So the system consists of several microservices, which are storefront, other services, product service, store admin, RabbitMQ, make client services, and MongoDB. So I'll explain how the flow works. So first of all, the customer would access the storefront web application, and this application would fetch product details from product services. And this customer would place order on the storefront, and that would go to other services, and from there it would go to RabbitMQ queuing services using as a queue, and from there the make client services would be accessed immediately between MongoDB, and there are three sets of MongoDB for failover. So if one replica of the primary replica of the MongoDB fails, the secondary replica can immediately take over, and the data would be persistent. And store admin can access the data from the MongoDB and can see the list of orders and process them, and also add products to the product services. And only employees can access the store admin. And so this is the diagram architecture, and I'll show you the store admin. So first of all, the applications are deployed. I'll just get services. So the services are up: Kubernetes, Mainline, MongoDB. All the services are up right now. And here we go. This is the admin portal. We have the products. We can add product, and we can see list of orders that are here right now that we need to take action on. Like complete order. Like order is processed. There are no active orders. And we go to storefront. So this is the storefront inspired from Best Buy. So we can add products. So let's just three products for now. As you can see, those three products are here. We got to check out. Order submitted successfully. Then let's go to store admin, and should appear. Okay. So yeah, it was delayed. Sorry for me. And yeah, the orders are here. View details, and we can see that the orders appear here. So this is the product microservices, and I don't know, for some reason I had issue with the make client services, so I figured it out because I had three sets of MongoDB and I had to configure them. So yeah, I have the primary. One is primary and two are secondary. That's the status of the MongoDB. And then we have the images from Docker Hub. These are the images that I uploaded on Docker Hub Desktop. And then we have several services. So this is the order services. Let's deploy the test the CI/CD pipelines. And now let's commit something. Okay, Ubuntu. This is good. Sensible.js. Let's add some spaces, nothing much. Save it, then commit. For video, commit. Other services, and let's go to other services and see what happens. Other services final project, GitHub Actions, testing for video. So this is, I already had a build done. So what it would do is I have the workflow file over here. So as on push, any commits, so whenever a code is pushed, the CI/CD pipeline would be triggered and it would build an image using my, first of all, it will log into Docker, then build the images from the variables provided into the repository variables and push it to the Docker Hub and replace the into the Kubernetes services using kubeconfig that I provided into the secret variables, secrets into the data. And yeah, I can see the secrets from Docker username. That's how it, the automation works. As you can see, the build test applies there. So it fetched the data from the kubeconfig and it's trying to push it, I guess. Well, the make lines, configuring the make line services was the most challenging part because you're adding redundancy for the MongoDB and failover safe. So if the data cannot be lost, if the MongoDB crashes or in any circumstances. So yeah, because like we have three MongoDB services running, three replicas. Yeah. So that was pretty intense. It took a long time for me to, yeah, get this thing done. But anyway, yeah, it was fun lab. Yeah, let's see. So it's deployed, and our CI/CD is working right now. And if I go to the here, other services, so it's running, and it should show up in time, I guess. Yeah, so it terminated the old auto service and pushed the new one, which is this one. And you can see here the this version of the auto services. So this was all about the uh, microservices project. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good one.